Hey beautiful people, welcome to Tech Gan Unlimited.
Which of the following is the drawbacks of ring topology? Option A. Failure of one computer can affect the whole network. Option B. Adding or removing the computer disturbs the network activity. Option C. If the central hub fails, the whole network fails to operate. Option D. Both A and B. Correct answer is option D. Both A and B. DBMS is a collection of that enables users to create and maintain a database. Option A. Keys. Option B. Translators. Option C. Program. Option D. Language activity. Correct answer is option C. Program. In a relational schema, each tuple is divided into fields called option A. Relations. Option B. Domains. Option C. Queries. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer is option B. Domain. In, a, in an ER model, is described in the database by storing its data. Option A. Entity. Option B. Attribute. Option C. Relationship. Option D. Notation. Correct answer is option A. Entity. DFD stands for option A. Data flow document. Option B. Data file diagram. Option C. Data flow diagram. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. DFD stands for data flow diagram. A top to bottom relationship among the items in a database is established by a option A. Hierarchical schema. Option B. Network schema. Option C. Relational schema. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer is option A. Hierarchical schema. Table store information about database or about the system. Option A. SQL. Option B. Nested. Option C. System. Option D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Defines the structure of a relation which consists of a fixed set of attribute domain pairs. Option A. Instance. Option B. Schema. Option C. Program. Option D. Superkey. Correct answer is option B. Schema. Dot 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 clause is an additional filter that is applied to the result. Option A select, option B group by, option C having, option D order by. Correct answer is option C having clause. A logical schema, option A is the entire database, option B is a standard way of organizing information into accessible parts, option C describes how data is actually stored on disks, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option B. A logical schema is a standard way of organizing information into accessible parts. Is a utility to capture a continuous record of server activity and provide auditing capability. Option A SQL Server Profile, option B SQL Server Service Manager, option C SQL Server Setup, option D SQL Server Wizard. Correct answer is option B SQL Server Service Manager. Data items grouped together for storage purpose are called a option A record, option B title, option C list, option D string. Correct answer is option A record. Contains data assisting day-to-day activities of the organization. Option A control database, option B operational database, option C strategic database, option D sequential database. Correct answer is option B operational database. Dot 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 approach reduces time and effort required for design and lesser risks in database management. Option A single global net database, option B top down approach, option C multiple database, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C multiple database. HSAM stands for option A hierarchic sequential access method, option B hierarchic standard access method, option C hierarchic sequential and method, option D hierarchic standard and method. Correct answer is option A hierarchic sequential access method. SQL Server stores index information in the dot 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 system table. Option A syst indexes, option B system indexes, option C sysind, option D sys indexes. Correct answer is option D, sys indexes. The one guideline to be followed while designing the database is option A, a database design may be ambiguous. Option B, unrelated data should be in the same table so that updating the data will be easy. Option C, it should avoid or reduce the redundancy. Option D, an entity should not have attributes. Correct answer is option C, it should avoid or reduce the redundancy. Which of the following is not a logical database structure? Option A, chain. Option B, network. Option C, tree. Option D, relational. Correct answer is option A, chain. Is a preferred method of enforcing data integrity? Option A, constants. Option B, stored. Option C, triggers. Option D, cursors. Correct answer is option A, constants. The candidate key is that you choose to identify each row uniquely is called option A, altered key. Option B, primary key. Option C, foreign key. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, primary key. Is used to determine whether a table contains duplicate rows. Option A, unique predicate. Option B, like predicate. Option C, null predicate. Option D, in predicate. Correct answer is option A, unique predicate is used to determine whether a table contains duplicate rows. To eliminate duplicate rows, ... is used. Option A, no duplicate. Option B, eliminate. Option C, distinct. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, distinct. State true or false. First statement, a candidate key is a minimal super key. Second statement, a candidate key can also refer to as surrogate key. Option A, first statement true, second statement false. Option B, first statement false, second statement true. Option C, first statement true, second statement true. Option D, first statement false, second statement false. Correct answer is option C, both statements are true. DCL stands for option A, data control language. Option B, data console language. Option C, data console level. Option D, data control level. Correct answer is option A. DCL stands for Data Control Language. Is the process of organizing data into related tables. Option A, normalization. Option B, generalization. Option C, specialization. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, normalization. Does not have a distinguishing attribute if its own and mostly are dependent entities which are part of some another entity. Option A, weak entity. Option B, strong entity. Option C, non-attributes entity. Option D, dependent entity. Correct answer is option A, weak entity. Is the complex search criteria in the where clause? Option A, substring. Option B, drop table. Option C, predict. Option D, predicate. Correct answer is option D, predicate. Is preferred method for enforcing data integrity. Option A, constants. Option B, stored procedure. Option C, triggers. Option D, cursors. Correct answer is option A, constants is preferred method for enforcing data integrity. The number of tuples in a relationship is called its ... while the number of attributes in a relationship is called its. Option A, degree and cardinality. Option B, cardinality and degree. Option C, rows and columns. Option D, columns and rows. Correct answer is option B. The number of tuples in a relationship is called its cardinality, while the number of attributes in a relationship is called its degree. Reflexivity property says that x y is true if y is option A, super subset of x. Option B, null set of x. Option C, superset of y. Option D, subset of y. Correct answer is option A, subset of x. Anything that affects the database schema is a part of option A, DML. Option B, DCL. Option C, DDL. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option C, DDL. An instance of a relation is a time varying set of option A, tuples. Option B, rows. Option C, both of them. Option D, none of them. Correct answer is option C, both of them. In the ... mode, any record in the file can be accessed at random. Option A, sequential access. Option B, random access. Option C, standard access. Option D, source access. Correct answer is option B, random access, which can be used to delete all the rows of a table. Option A, delete star from table name. Option B, delete from table name. Option C, delete table name. Option D, all rows cannot be deleted at a time. Correct answer is option A, delete star from table name. Which of the following is not the type of data integrity? Option A, key integrity. Option B, domain integrity. Option C, entity integrity. Option D, referential integrity. Correct answer is option A, key integrity.